I found a great hack to organize your sheet linens and keep them organized. This was my closet before. I'm not joking, actual footage of my closet. I was storing everything in baskets by sheet size, but it just became a mess. So I found these linen sheet organizers, and now my system is to organize by room. So each bed in each room has one organizer. This way people know where to go to get their sheets, they know where to go to put them away after the laundry's been done, and the system actually stays organized. The bins come with these white labels, which you can write on with marker, but if you know me, you know I like to make it a little bit cuter. So I'm giving you guys a free template in Canva. So just go to the link in the description to access the template. And then once you click that link, you can view the template and you can go in and edit it, and you can change it to whatever you want your labels to be. So if you want to use this for bath towels or put your kids' names in, whatever you want to do, just go ahead and update it. And then go to the share button, select download, and print it out and cut it out. And you have these cute little labels. For my kids, I even put the type of sheet that they have because they both have twin white sheets. So my son has Pottery Barn, my daughter has Quince, and then that way there's no confusion. We know exactly where they go. And you can have a nice organized linen closet that actually stays that way.